Have you ever felt a strange pull in your soul? A whisper from the universe that something extraordinary is about to happen? What if I told you that the cosmos might be aligning to shower you with unimaginable wealth? Not just money, but abundance that transforms your entire life. Today, we're diving into the spiritual realm to uncover 3 mysterious signs that you're on the verge of becoming extraordinarily rich signs that spiritual masters have recognized for centuries. Stay with me, because these aren't just coincidences. They're divine messages meant for you. Let's start with the first sign. Vivid dreams of abundance. Spiritual experts, from ancient shamans to modern mystics, have long believed that dreams are the universe's way of communicating with us. When you're about to step into a season of wealth, your dreams become a portal to divine messages. These aren't ordinary dreams. They're vivid, almost cinematic, filled with symbols of prosperity. Picture this. You're dreaming of golden light flooding your home, or you're standing in a lush garden where every tree bears fruit made of sparkling jewels. Maybe you see yourself holding a key that unlocks a treasure chest overflowing with coins and gems. According to spiritual teacher Amara Light, who spent decades studying the connection between dreams and destiny, these visions are not random. They're signals from your higher self, aligning with the universal energy of abundance. Amara shares the story of a client, Sarah, a struggling artist who began having recurring dreams of swimming in a river of gold. At first, Sarah dismissed them as wishful thinking. But within weeks, she received an unexpected commission for a massive art project that skyrocketed her career and bank account. The dreams, Amara explains, were her soul's way of preparing her for the wealth that was already on its way. Why does this happen? Spiritually, dreams are a bridge between the physical and ethereal realms. When the universe is about to bless you with wealth, it first plants the seed in your subconscious. These dreams might include symbols like water, which represents flow and abundance, or numbers like 888, a powerful spiritual code for prosperity. If you're seeing these symbols night after night, pay attention. The universe is whispering that wealth is near. But here's the key. You must act on these dreams. Spiritual masters emphasize that dreams of abundance come with a call to action. Journal them, meditate on them, and ask yourself, what is the universe urging me to do? Maybe it's starting that business you've been delaying, or reaching out to someone who can open a door. The dreams are your map. Your job is to follow it. Now that you're tuned into your dreams, let's explore the second mysterious sign. This one might catch you off guard because it's something you feel in your body, a physical sensation that spiritual experts say is a direct message from the divine. The second sign is a surge of unexplained energy, often felt as a tingling sensation, warmth, or a sudden burst of motivation. Spiritual healers, like Master Kale, who has guided thousands through energy work, describe this as the universe activating your wealth frequency. It's as if your body becomes a tuning fork, resonating with the vibration of abundance. Imagine waking up one morning feeling electrified, like you've had 10 cups of coffee without the jitters. Your heart races, your palms tingle, and you feel an urge to create, connect, or take bold action. This isn't just adrenaline, it's a spiritual signal that your energy field is aligning with wealth. Master Kale explains that when the universe is about to deliver massive abundance, it first floods your body with high-frequency energy to prepare you for the shift. Take the case of Michael, a corporate worker who felt stuck in a dead-end job. One day, while meditating, he experienced a rush of warmth spreading from his chest to his fingertips. He described it as feeling alive for the first time in years. The same week, he took a leap of faith, pitching a business idea to a colleague. That idea turned into a startup that sold for millions within 2 years. Michael credits that surge of energy as the moment he knew something big was coming. From a spiritual perspective, this energy surge is your body's way of syncing with the frequency of wealth. In many traditions, Wealth is seen as an energy, not just money. When you're about to receive it, your physical and spiritual bodies must align to hold that energy. That's why you might feel restless or even a bit uncomfortable. Is your system adjusting to a higher vibration? To harness this sign, spiritual experts recommend grounding practices. Try walking barefoot on the earth, visualizing the energy flowing through you, or chanting mantras like "I am open to receive." These practices help you stabilize the energy and prepare for the wealth that's coming. If you're feeling these urges, don't ignore them. They're a cosmic green light that you're on the right path. So, you've had vivid dreams and felt that electric surge. But the third sign is perhaps the most profound. A moment where the universe seems to speak directly to you through the world around you. The third sign is a series of synchronicities, meaningful coincidences that feel too perfect to be chance. Spiritual leaders like Guru Ananda, who studied ancient Vedic texts, call these divine winks from the universe, signaling that you're aligned with a flow of abundance. These synchronicities often appear as repeating numbers, unexpected opportunities, or chance encounters that lead to wealth. For example, you might keep seeing the number 1111 everywhere on clocks, receipts, or license plates. In numerology, 1111 is a powerful sign of manifestation, indicating that your thoughts are aligning with reality. Or perhaps you're thinking about a new business venture, and out of nowhere, you meet someone who offers you the exact resources you need. These aren't accidents. They're the universe orchestrating events to bring you wealth. Guru Ananda shares the story of Priya, a single mother who struggled financially for years. One day, she noticed the number 777 appearing repeatedly on her phone, in a book, even on a billboard. Around the same time, she kept running into an old friend who worked in real estate. Trusting the signs, Priya partnered with her friend on a small property deal, which unexpectedly turned into a multi-million-dollar venture. The synchronicities, Guru Ananda says, were the universe's way of guiding her to wealth. Spiritually, synchronicities are proof that you're in flow with the universe's plan. They often come when you're in a state of trust and surrender, open to receiving. But here's the catch. You must act on them. If you keep seeing signs but ignore them, the opportunities may pass. Spiritual experts advise keeping a synchronicity journal to track these moments. Write down every coincidence, no matter how small, and look for patterns. Then, take inspired action. Reach out to that person, explore that opportunity, or follow that intuition. Now, let's pause and explore why these signs appear from a spiritual perspective. In many traditions, wealth is not just about money, it's about energy, alignment, and purpose. Spiritual masters teach that the universe is abundant by nature, and when you align with its frequency, wealth flows effortlessly. These three signs, dreams, energy surges, and synchronicities, are like tuning signals, helping you adjust your vibration to match the frequency of prosperity. Think of it like a radio. If you're tuned to static, you won't hear the music. But when you dial in to the right frequency, the song plays clearly. The universe is always broadcasting abundance, but you need to be on the right channel to receive it. These signs are the universe's way of helping you find that channel. Ancient texts, like the Vedas or the teachings of Hermes, emphasize that wealth comes when you align your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your divine purpose. If you're seeing these signs, it's a call to step into your highest potential. Maybe you've been playing small, doubting yourself, or ignoring your intuition. The universe is now urging you to rise up and claim the abundance that's yours by divine right. So, how do you make the most of these signs? Spiritual experts offer practical steps to amplify their power. First, cultivate a daily practice of gratitude. Gratitude raises your vibration, making you a magnet for wealth. Each morning, write down 3 things you're grateful for, focusing on abundance already in your life. Second, meditate to connect with your higher self. Even 10 minutes a day, visualizing yourself receiving wealth can strengthen your alignment. Picture golden light flowing into your life, filling every area with prosperity. Third, take inspired action. The universe rewards movement. If you're seeing these signs, don't just wait. Start that project. Make that call or take that risk. The signs are your confirmation that the timing is divine. As we wrap up, let's reflect on what these three mysterious signs mean for you. Vivid dreams of abundance are the universe planting seeds in your subconscious. Surges of unexplained energy are your body aligning with the vibration of wealth, and synchronicities are divine winks, guiding you toward opportunities. Together, they're a cosmic roadmap to extraordinary riches, not just financial, but spiritual, emotional, and purposeful. If you're experiencing these signs, know this: the universe has chosen you for something big. Trust the process, act with courage, and open your heart to receive it. The wealth you're destined for is closer than you think. Have you noticed any of these signs in your life? Drop a comment below and share your story. I'd love to hear how the universe is speaking to you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more spiritual insights to transform your life. Until next time, stay aligned, stay open, and watch the abundance flow.